Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the most authentic and mouth-watering recipes from around the world. In this video, we present to you a classic Turkish dish, Turkish lentil soup, also known as mercimek çorbası. Learn how to make this delicious soup from scratch with our step-by-step tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel. We are delighted to have you among us. Once you prepare this delectable and affordable recipe, you'll want to do so again and again.